One of the active volcanoes here in the Philippines is erupting. Hey guys, so just a quick update for you guys. One of the active volcanoes here in the Philippines is erupting. So I just got back from, I was doing some work in the farm, and I just saw these people just gathering and just looking up the skies. I was like, wow, is that a storm or what? And later did we know it was the Taal Volcano is erupting. So I flew Spark out, and so I got a couple of pictures, a couple of a video clip. I just want to show you guys and upload this as soon as possible. But yeah, be careful guys right now. There is acid rain, if it does ever rain in your area because of the volcano ash. So be careful. Hope you guys enjoy this. I do apologize, it's just a short clip. See you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it.